Hello, welcome to Initial Solution. I'm going to show you how to install ChatGPT. Let's start. Open Microsoft Edge, log into your account, click on three dots and then Apps. Now click Install this site as Apps. Click on Install. Allow what you want. That's it. Now you are ready to explore. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphics design, UI/UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.